This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preserving data and unlocking the phone for deeper changes. First, back up apps and media to local storage or an encrypted drive so nothing is lost. Next, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This reveals OEM unlock and USB debugging. Make sure you know your Google and OEM account credentials and that the battery is over 50%. Once done, you're ready to request bootloader unlock or prepare a custom ROM/micro G pathway. Now you perform the heavy lifting, remove Play services and related packages. Unlock the bootloader and install a custom recovery such as TWRP to gain full system access. Then flash a degoogled ROM or a minimal Android with micro G if you want compatibility with some apps. Alternatively, remove Google APKs directly by booting recovery or using ADB with SU. Make sure to wipe caches and Dalvik/ART caches after changes, and verify the ROM's signature and integrity before rebooting to avoid soft brick scenarios. You finish by validating system stability and restoring essential apps. Reboot and test calls, SMS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera, and sensors to confirm nothing critical was removed. Install privacy-respecting apps via F-Droid or sideload APKs and configure micro G if used. If you encounter a boot loop, missing hardware support, or major app breakage, make sure to restore your backup or reflash the stock firmware from the OEM images. That single troubleshooting step resolves most failures. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.